These hot peppers are so good, you just gotta try them. Woo-wee! Don't you forget to use the best ingredients. I'm talking about the best jalapenos, the best bacon, the best cheese, and the gospel from Meat Church. You gotta do the first thing you gotta do is you need to take a big old bag. I'm talking about big old bag of jalapenos. And you gotta slice each of those jalapenos long ways and open them up. You gotta open them up. This is important now. It's very important now. And you need to scoop all the stuff out of each jalapeno. Make a little bowl, a nice little bowl. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Because with this nice little bowl, let's show you. So, you go ahead and you put all the cream cheese in your bowl. Then you sprinkle in some cheese. And a little more cheese. Alright, so now we got a little cheese. We throw a little of the Meat Church seasoning in there. And I squish it up. Squish it. Oh, I'm so good at squishing things up. Squish, squish, squish. Squish, 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 squish. Oh, don't hit it, squish. Squish, squish. Alright, we got the cream cheese all squished together. Now we take the jalapeno and we put it long ways, like we talked. Long ways. Scoop it out and make a little bowl. I don't scoop very fast, do I? Hurry up. Tired of waiting. Alright, then knocks out that sharp. Hurry. Make a little bowl. Now we have two little bowls. Alright. We have a whole bunch of little bowls. Little jalapeno bowls. So we lay them out. One after another. Come on, tray. To make it easier to put in the grill. Now you take that nice squishy mess you made. You squish each one into the jalapeno. Squish, 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 squish. Love to squish. Squish, squish. Squish, squish. Ah, can't get enough. Then you have a whole bunch of jalapenos. And I'm telling you about bacon. Bacon's good. So you take the bacon. Look at this bacon. This is good bacon. Here, no, you're not looking. Look! Alright, take the bacon and push it in each one of these jalapeno poppers. Man, it's gonna be so good. One after another. Just keep pushing it in. Man, I'm working fast this time. Hurry up! Now you gotta clean out the grill. You gotta do it because you guys won't believe I do it if you don't. So now, we're gonna take this, we're gonna shove it in the grill, you open that grill, put those jalapenos in, now close it. Ooh, that was loud. Now I'll see you in about 25-40 minutes. Alright. Woo, they're done. They look good. Look real good. Just take them inside and take a good look at it.
Oh yeah! Those wings are done! Now all we have to do is we have to figure out they're good. I hope these are good, because those are dirty. Check them out. Check them out. Let's tilt it down. Pretty good. Let's see what they taste like before my dog comes and eats the others. Pretty good. Gotta clean this up.